What's up, YouTube? Does your printouts have smudges on the sides or in the middle? I'll show you how to clean it. It goes with any type of printer. My problem is the black one, so I'm gonna get the black one toner. Click that up. See those smudges, the lines? Get a Clorox wipes. See how it goes away? Now we have to print another paper and hoping that it ends up on the other side, and we're gonna wipe it down. We'll install it. Let's print the info sheet. Let's try, see if we need another cleaning. So there you go. We're going to compare. There's still smudges, but it's fading away, so I have to get this again because we're gonna clean the other side of the drum, because we only clean the like 180 degrees of the dirty end part, right? Reinstalling it again. While you're at it, don't forget to get or to check any access of your printer. Mine is at the back. See the rollers, it's pretty dirty. So we will clean these rollers with the same Clorox wipes. And there's more here. We're gonna clean that too.